Hi, this is Naoko. I hope you enjoyed the origami rap song video, Folded. Today, my friend Hana is going to teach you how to fold a dog face and a cat face. After she finishes, you will see the diagrams showing how to fold too. There are few different ways to fold the dog and cat faces, so you follow as you like and create your own dog and cat faces. Enjoy!
Konnichiwa, or hello, my name is Hana. I will be teaching you how to make an origami dog, aka Inu, which is also known as, and then a cat called a Neko.
So Hana, you know Japanese. How come?
Because I was pursued by my parents having been learning when I was Japanese when I was born. That is how I have a Japanese name, Hana.
Wow! So how old are you?
I am 9 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Silver Spring, Maryland,
Wow!
with a brother, a sister, a dad, and a mom.
Great! So I look forward to your lesson today. Can you start?
Absolutely. You won't need a glue stick, but it's an optional thing. You will need paper and scissors though. The marker is also optional. It'll be for something fun at the end. I'll give you a heads up. Anyways, you begin with the paper. Now, you want to get it perfectly lined and have it right at the tippy corner. Right here, and then you want it to be straight. Completely straight. And then make sure that it's straight when you're smoothing out, and then crease. Then, what you want to do next is you want to take your scissors, which I also said were needed, unless you're using actual origami paper, which I will show you later. And you cut. Here's your strip. Now that you have your strip, it has nothing to do with the rest of it. So recycle it. A better world is a clean world. Next, we unfold your triangle. Hold it up to the tippy top. Get your finger at the tippy top, right there, and then straighten, and then start straightening right down here. Next, we unfold, and then you can fold either way back. I choose this way. Then you take it. Also, we're making the dog FYI for your information. And then you fold the dog's ears down. Then, this is an optional part, but if you have a glue stick, then take the glue stick, put some glue under the ear flaps, glue it. Just a dot, not a lot. Fold it back down. Glue. Fold it back down. Then, you can put a little bit of glue on the outside. That way, it doesn't open up a lot. And then, fold it over and give it a little chin. This is a basset hound by its ears. Then, flip it over. And now, the fun part, which I promised, take the marker and give it any expression you want. I will give mine double winky. I'm gonna give it a little nose. Down. And then a smile. There's your puppy dog. Here's our cat. First, we want to make one fold down to their chinny chin chin. Special origami paper that I'm using. Then we want to turn it up to the point. See? Like so. Now we have a little tiny triangle. Then we want to unfold it and then turn the point all the way down to the little bottom. Okay, so now you have a triangle and two now you have technically a whole bunch of triangles, but right now you have two triangles and one diamond, and then of course a big triangle on the back. Now that you've done that, you unfold and fold it back. Then you take this and have the point folded right down to here. Now, after you do that, you want to make the ears. So you see the little point here, this little corner here? You don't want the ears to go any further than that. So then you fold it up from the bottom and don't let the ears go any further than that. And then, for the other side, of course, you want to fold it up real nice and clean. And then, of course, who wants a cat with a pointy chin? Fold it up right here, and there is your cat. Of course, you can make your cat's faceness a little bit less. Thin faceness a little bit less. So now, there you have your cat. And then you can give it some eyeballs. This looks like a dorky cat, right? And there. And then, of course, if it looks like a dorky bunny, then who thinks it's a cat? Add some whiskers. Meow, meow, meow. And that's how you make an origami cat. Bye.
Hana, great job! Arigato. Thank you. Hana showed how to cut a rectangular paper into square. This is how you do it. The first step, fold the corner to one side. The second step, cut the extra paper off. I hope the illustration helps you to fold. First is a dog face. Second is a cat face.